There you can see I put my welding coat back on, splashing up into my my arms, and I don't know if you can see I have a face shield on, so keep it out of my eyes, as well as headphones on for the noise. I'm gonna go ahead and snap up the jacket just because got them sparks. I really don't have them on my down my neck. Probably can't hear as well with underneath with the mask closed, but I've got all the way around right about here, straight underneath there to here to grind off, and then same thing on this one, but it's right down about here, so I got quite a bit more to do. But this one we will have to tighten this one back up.